It is time, Jonno.
Time for...
To make a nursery.
Oh, how fun.
Yeah, it is fun actually. I am excited. Have bought some things.
Have you?
If you look at this and there, and we've been given gifts, we've got clothes, we've got lots of things.
Lots of things to get sorted.
So this was the last bedroom makeover that we did. It now needs to be baby friendly. I need to sort everything out, get it ready. Okay, so the plan is super simple. This Jonno needs to go and I'm gonna bring the low dresser in. So I need your help to empty all this, move it, bring the other one in, and then I will do
I thought I was coming in just to move furniture. I thought everything would be empty already.
Well, it's not.
Alright, okay, we better get going then, because
Okay.
I've got other stuff to work on.
Okay.
Choice.
Come down, yep, you're through. You're
Why
doing
didn't
a
you-
great job.
Why didn't you move the other one out first?
Because I thought you had a plan.
I didn't have a plan, you just told me we were moving
Well,
stuff.
hang on.
This is your plan.
Oh, hang on, don't put it down.
I have to.
Okay. Thanks, babe. I'm sorry I couldn't really help. Do you hate me?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you. Bye. I'll deal with the rest. There you go. There you go. We have a special guest joining us. This is Otis, our little man. Turns out if you want to get your nursery finished quickly, you just need to have a baby ahead of schedule. Isn't that right, Jonno?
That's what happened.
So Otis joined us 4.5 weeks early. We got a bit of a fright and we were going to film a lot more of this sort of setup, but basically we had to get it done as quickly as possible because he wanted to join us straight away. He was very keen. So I thought now that he's here, I might as well just take you through the current setup and go through some of the things that we've put in place and things that I've learned as a first-time mum, basically, and all of the must-haves that I've been relying on for the past 8 weeks. So I think I might put this one down and then we'll go through it. So the dresser that we grabbed from the other bedroom is working really well because I didn't have room for a change table. So I've actually just got a change mat here and I chose the Leander one. The reason why I chose this one is because it's super like slimline and it doesn't slip, basically. And I mean, I've started up nice and pretty with one of their Leander mats, but I've got to be honest, what I use the most of are these terry towel and cotton nappies. My girlfriend told me to get them before having Otis and I didn't really understand why, but now I understand why. I literally use them for everything. I pop them on the change mat, spit cloth, I pop it on the chair, everything, because the little guy does love a little vom. So they're very handy and just very good for messes, especially for boys when you're changing nappies, to have something to quickly cover them up if you need to. So this is my little setup over here. So into my drawers, this is all of the nappies. So it's good easy access for when I am changing Otis. I've got my wipes, my nappies, more face washes here. And then on the top drawer on the other side, I have got all of his clothes. Full disclosure, I have not put a sock or a mitten on Otis and he's 8 weeks old. I bought all of this stuff and I just don't use it at all. The only things that I use and the only things that we use in the hospital are a singlet suit and then just like your little onesies. That's it. That's like all we put it in. Just make sure you've got a little onesie with feet and hands and you're good to go. I do admire women that can dress up their newborn babies nice and pretty in lots of little outfits, but Otis doesn't give me the time to do that at all. So we keep it nice and simple. So a couple of other things, it's pretty bare here. So what I would love to do, we just didn't have time, is to probably put some shelving in. Jonno, that's a job for you, but it's not high up on the agenda. it's okay. You don't have to do it right away.
I've got a few other things to make first.
Just a few, but I thought that would be really good because I want to be able to put books, some of the soft toys, that sort of thing, so have them up and just sort of add a little bit more storage space. The rest of this is literally just more of these big softies and terry toweling, fleecy numbers. I've got more clothes there. This is literally all the clothes that he doesn't fit into. It's just extra. And this is kind of nifty. I mean, I love and I hate this product. Do you like this product, Jonno?
It's okay, but it doesn't get stuck.
The reason it gets stuck is because we fill it so much. It doesn't actually get stuck, but it's a really nifty little bin for the nappies, which we got. So you just chuck them in, throw it down, and then it closes it off. So it's meant to seal it off and stop all the smells and stuff like that. But we just churn through a lot of nappies, so we're constantly like emptying it. But you know, that's to be expected. Jonno, do you remember sleeping in this?
No, I do not.
This is a Jonno Rod special. I love this. So Bridget, Jonno's mum, kept this. So this is from the 80s. Gorgeous little bassinet. It's perfect because the little guy was quite little, so he actually loves being in a bassinet, which is really sweet. And
What do we do though? All we did was bought a brand new mattress.
Yeah.
And you can still get ones that actually fit perfect.
Yeah.
You have to measure very carefully though, because
yes,
someone else bought one for it and it was slightly too small.
Yeah, exactly. So we just needed to make sure it was the right size. This is just from Baby Bunting, and I popped a little bassinet sheet. This is cute. This is from Kip & Co. I popped a little bassinet sheet on. Normally I actually have, again, spit cloths and things and lots more blankets to kind of really secure him in place. This is from Mum. This guy's called Milo. Get it? Get it? The older guys will get it. And that was his beanie from hospital.
That's about it. It's just a corner.
It's just a corner. Camera, I mean, does the job. What is this camera, Jonno? You did this for me.
It's not a baby camera.
Not a baby camera, but it's almost...
Ubiquity camera. It just goes into a normal home security.
But the thing is, you don't have to have baby things to work for babies.
No.
Speaking of not baby things, the biggest must-have, white noise. I have literally just ordered a white noise machine because at the moment I'm just running Spotify playlist. It's just called like clean baby sleep white noise. That's it.
10 hours non-stop white noise for babies.
Oh my God, it's like literally the best. I'm running it off like a little mini Yui boom. It's the best white noise. Just, I'd heard about it. I didn't actually understand like how important it was. So
What happens when you walk out of the room with your mobile phone on you?
yes, it cuts out or if someone calls me. So yeah, I've got a white noise machine on the way. So that will come here, and that's also got a bit of ambient light, which will be really nice. So let's go into the corner. So this chair was already here before when we did the bedroom makeover. It serves as a great nursing chair. I love it. I brought in a side table, which is very important to have things to be easily accessible. I prettied it up a little bit. I mean, it's still very adult. I haven't gone full kiddie because I'm like, until he has like a voice and a say, I'm gonna keep this room kind of just chill and calm and very simple. Cute little lamp. Had to have a lamp here because I needed to have a little bit of ambient light because we didn't have that before, so I needed to be able to bring it down a notch. So this is actually from Beacon. Super sweet. It's the Casa Rattan. I just like the way it sort of worked with a lot of these other natural materials. And this guy, I love this. So this is the Charlie Crane Levo Rocker. I got it from Antipoda. Awesome Aussie online store. They've got all of the beautiful things. So I chose the walnut finish and the camel color. This is super cute. And to be honest with you, I actually usually have this guy hanging out in the living room, but I thought I would bring it in here just to show you. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty. It's very pretty. So that's Otis's first chair. So we get to sit next to each other eventually, once he gets a bit stronger. The other side of the room, that's my side of the room. That's where I sleep or sleep. Kept that the same because didn't want to kidify that. That's for my space. So that's basically it. The only thing that's missing and is about to come as well, aside from some shelves, is the cot. So I do have a cot on order. So we might have to show a bit of an update once we kind of get a few more things in the room and Otis is a little bit bigger. That's it. That's the nursery. Hope you like it. I'm gonna go check on the little man.
You don't want to shoot his
No, don't. He is not approved to that. Oh gosh, you've got it everywhere. Otis, oh no. Otis, it's all up in it. Hang on.
It's a disaster. Clean baby.
Clean baby. Clean baby, fed baby. Sleepy baby? Come on, let's go to sleep.